Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie and thank you for watching. So today I'm going through my Sephora VIB sale haul. So I'm just going to show you guys everything I got in this year's fall haul. If you want to see everything I got during this year's sale, then just keep on watching. One thing I did need was like a hair detangling spray, and so I decided to get this travel kit from Briogeo to try out like a bunch of different stuff. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this cute little case, and so yeah, it comes with the Farewell Frizz Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray, which I've used multiple times before, so I know I love it. I also needed like a heat protectant cream or spray or something like that. So this also comes with the blow dry perfection and heat protectant cream. And I've also tried this before. I know it's great. So then also it just came with a shampoo and conditioner. These are the Farewell Frizz smoothing shampoo and conditioners, which I have not tried yet. So I figured this would be fun to try out too. I'm sure it's just as good as the rest of the Farewell Frizz line. So then I got this makeup eraser kit. I've been really into my makeup eraser lately. It really does work if you're trying to just cut back on how many like disposable makeup wipes you use. Then I really recommend investing in one of these. They're like 20 bucks and honestly they work amazing. So it comes in like this little travel pouch, and this is like the 7-day-a-week one. So they're just like one-time use things, and it comes with 7 of them. So that's really fun, and this has little lemons on it, which I thought was so cute. These are actually kind of smaller than I thought they would be, but I really enjoyed the makeup eraser. And this kit also came with this headband that is kind of odd. There's like a wire in this. So that's interesting, but we'll see. I don't know if I'm going to end up keeping this because this doesn't look very comfortable. Next I got some beauty blenders. Every holiday season Beauty Blender does some sort of like value kit like this. So this just comes with 3 full-size beauty blenders, 2 like cleaning soap bars, and then it looks like a silicone scrubber type of thing to clean your beauty blenders with. I just got a dry shampoo. This is the Moroccanoil dry shampoo for light tones. It says it's soft, silky feel and enhances blonde tones. So since I actually just revamped my blonde, so hopefully this helps keep it bright as well as doing what I need a dry shampoo to do. So I was in need of some mascaras, so Benefit had this holiday kit that I picked up. You get 3 full-size mascaras. You get the Bad Girl Bang, They're Real, and Roller Lash. I've tried the They're Real and Roller Lash before. Roller Lash is one of my all-time favorite mascaras, so I was excited to have that, and I have not tried the Bad Girl Bang yet, so also excited to try that out. Then I picked up this Marc Jacobs Brow Wow Duo. It's a brow pencil that comes with a gel, like a setting gel on the other side. So this is in the shade medium brown, and then it also comes with a refill pencil. So this was like a $40 brow product, which is pretty ridiculous, but considering you get basically 3 products in one, it's slightly less ridiculous. So you have like the full-size brow pencil on one side, and then this other side has the setting gel. It's like a tinted setting gel. There's a color to it. And then you get the refill full-size pencil as well. So I thought that was actually a pretty good deal. So I've been really into almost like tinted lip balms lately. I think they work a lot better with having to wear a mask. just to put something on your lips instead of just like a full-on lipstick that's going to, or lip gloss that's going to come off anyways on the mask. So I got the Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm in the shade Latte Lips. So I actually have nothing on my lips right now, so I'm just going to try this on instead of swatching it. That is pigmented. And this is like a really pretty, just everyday pinky nude color. And my lips have been super dry with the cold weather lately, so this will be good to have. So my skin has definitely been super dry lately because of all the cold weather drastically changing. So I picked up the Dominique Cosmetics and JD Wadey 180, what is this called? Ultra Hydrating Complexion Primer. So it's like a really moisturizing kind of like water primer. I thought this would be pretty good. Dominique Cosmetics is a great brand and hasn't done me wrong, so I'm hoping this will help. Then this was a purchase that I just wanted. Jamie Page Beauty on YouTube talks about this all the time, so I had to pick it up. This is the Patrick Ta, what's this called? Major Headlines Double Take Cream and Powder Blush in the shade She's LA. And so this packaging is very like bougie almost. So it comes with like the cream up top, which it has a little protector on it so you don't get powder into it, and it has the powder blush on the bottom, and it also comes with a mirror in the compact. So I'm excited to try this out. Apparently the way to wear this is putting the cream on first and the powder on first and the cream on top, which is opposite of what we've been taught to do. So I'm interested to see if that will work on me. And the last thing I got, I threw out the packaging already because I've been using this, but it's a Jouer Boutique d'Amour 6 shade blush palette, and this is what it looks like. Mine came broken, and then I reached out to Sephora and they sent me a new one, and that also came broken. So I had to take some rubbing alcohol and just repress everything. So I mean, it all still works and it looks nice-ish. But Jouer, I don't know. This brand, I've heard their powder formula is very fragile. So if these are available in stores, I definitely recommend picking up there instead of having it shipped to you, because it will come broken. I'm pretty sure that will just always be the case. So that's unfortunate, but this is really good. I've been wearing this like almost every day since I got it. So I'm really enjoying it. I love the colors in this, the formula. It's very creamy and pigmented and easy to blend out. So this is like a really good blush palette, and these are like all the colors that I love, so I will definitely get a lot of use out of this. So yeah, that's everything I got during this year's sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment down below telling me what you picked up during this year's sale. So thanks again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.